everyone. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. Last part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Ooh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Oh, hello everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Ooh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. It worked! Hang on, Bobby! You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, mechanicals! Ow! Nope, that's not it. Wait a minute. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We've found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make the hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, mechanicals? Ah! What? Oh. Baby Truck, wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away. Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, mechanicals. We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You were so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Oh, hey there, everyone. Vicky the ice cream truck is in for her repairs. We're just doing a few finishing touches. Thanks, Yellow. Could I please have a screwdriver? Careful, mechanicals. That pipe is full of ice-cold air. It's how Vicky freezes her ice cream. Yellow! Don't touch that button! Mmm. 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 Phew! Thanks, Mechanicals. You saved me. Now, let's finish fixing Vicky. Thanks, Vicky. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Look, here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course, we haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. That's strange. The rollers are meant to wash the bubbles off. Aha, that's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Hooray! The car wash is working and Baby Truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gecko. Bye! What? Fiona Fire Truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon have you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, Mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's garage, Fiona. Bye! Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew! Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Where? Oh no, Mechanicals! I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Oh. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew! Panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye. Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look. It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, Mechanicals, we need to help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello, everyone. Gecko here. We're just on our way home. What? It's Baby Truck. What's that, baby truck? You've lost your dummy? Don't be upset. We'll find it for you. Go, go, Mechanicals! Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, baby truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it. Here you go, baby truck. Ah, all's well that ends well. Thanks for your help, everyone. Bye!